I think we can all agree that understanding the cost of physical therapy with insurance can be confusing at times. Price ranges can be extensive, and we think it's important that you understand the factors that influence these ranges. Some of these factors include what your insurance plan will look like, how your therapist bills your insurance, and what type of visit you're coming in for. In this video, we're going to break down these factors for you so that you can feel as confident as possible in understanding how much your treatment will cost.
My name is Marika, and I'm the billing administrator for EW Motion Therapy. I have been with the company for 10 years and counting, and my role is to take your physical therapy treatment, bill it to insurance, get that back, post it to your account, and most importantly, answer your questions. Today, I would like to review and go over how your insurance impacts the cost of your physical therapy. When talking about insurance, it is important to know what your deductible and your copay is going to be. These two factors are key when thinking about the amount you're going to have to pay for physical therapy. It's good to know or to start off by knowing what these are. Your deductible is going to be an out-of-pocket amount that is set by your insurance to meet each year before they start to pay. This can range anywhere from $100 up to $7,000, but just keep in mind that you can meet this in a number of ways. You can meet it with surgery, you can meet it with lab work that's being done, and you can also meet it with physical therapy. So it's good to just kind of note and remember to go back and maybe call your insurance or the physical therapy clinic that you plan to attend to see if any of that has been met. Once it's been met is whenever your copay comes into play. This amount is a smaller amount that's set to be paid each visit instead of the entire year. So each visit, this can range anywhere from $20 to $60, and that's again, day to day. This can vary depending on contract, and if you have a secondary insurance or any additional insurance to go along with that, it often can pick up that remaining amount or give you a little bit extra. So just keep that in mind whenever you are thinking about your cost of physical therapy. There are two types of visits that can affect your cost with physical therapy. First is going to be that first day that you come in for physical therapy. This is going to be your initial evaluation. This can typically be at a higher rate, nationally ranging anywhere from $50 to $400. The reason for this is because it's a little more complex and there's more to do. The PT or physical therapist typically goes through your past medical history, evaluates your injury or any pain you may be having, and then sets goals to meet, and then may even do some treatment. So that first one can typically be at a higher rate than any of your remaining visits. The remaining visits are, like I said, kind of less complex and can range anywhere from $20 to $150 per visit. So again, keep these in mind whenever you are thinking about the cost of your physical therapy. When it comes to physical therapy, there is no cookie cutter way on how to bill your insurance because each day the therapist bills and caters to what your needs are for physical therapy. So your treatment may be a little different from day to day, and hopefully this will explain a little bit and help you understand exactly how we're billing. First is going to be your CPT codes. Second is going to be your treatment interventions, and then third is going to be your billable time. Each one of these can be described a little bit differently and hopefully can help make better sense on how we bill. The CPT codes are going to just be a classifier to determine what is being done during your treatment. Your treatment interventions is going to be the process that the therapist is using that day to meet your goals. And then your billable time is going to be the amount of time during treatment that they use with each intervention to help you get through and to where you need to be. Again, these three are going to be molding and kind of showing you exactly where you're going to get billed and what your cost is going to be.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope that you have learned some valuable information and can feel more confident in understanding how much your treatment will cost. Click the link in our description below if you'd like to learn more about costs or how physical therapy works.